Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. Today we're here to talk about your roof ACs and the maintenance that's needed. There's several reasons why you want to maintain your roof airs. One is comfort level. The second is longevity of that air conditioner. And the third can actually be tied to your warranty. Most warranty companies want you to do an annual maintenance to make sure that you don't have any major problems with your air conditioner. So the first thing that you're going to want to do, just like at your home, is to check your AC filters. So in a motorhome, they're usually mounted on the roof. You're going to pull out your air conditioner filters, no matter what type you have. You're going to do an inspection. If they're dirty, you can blow them out with air. You can put them in the sink and wash them with soap and water. Once they're dry, you put them back in. That's the first step to your annual maintenance. After that, you're going to want to go up on the roof. So let's go. Okay, so here we are on the roof of your motorhome. Couple of really important safety tips. First, please be careful when you get on the top of one of these motorhomes. Especially like a morning like today, the roof is wet, slippery. Please be careful. Second thing, when you're working on an air conditioner, if you're going to take this cover off, make sure that you unplug the motorhome first. Fan in these things very fast, very sharp. All right, so part of your maintenance is just a visual inspection. You're going to come up and look at this shroud. They call this a shroud because it's just like a shroud on a car. It makes the airflow go from the condenser coils up through the fan and out, which creates cooling for this air conditioner. So you want to make sure that the shroud is in good shape, installed properly. Next thing you're going to do is pull this shroud and do an internal visual inspection. So we're going to remove the screws, lift the cover off, and look at the internal parts. One of the things you want to look at are the copper lines. Very important that these copper lines are not rubbing anything. If they do rub, they can actually rub through and you'll see oil marks or leaks. That's the part that you don't want to do. So if you find a rub spot, these can be moved around a little bit or add the foam rubber like on here to keep them from doing any permanent damage. Next thing is your condenser coils. Your condenser coils need to be clean and fairly straight. They'll have some rub marks on here. Any part of this that's smashed over doesn't allow air to flow through, cuts down on the ability of this thing to cool correctly. So you're going to look at this. After you've done your visual inspection, you're going to want to wash these out. They make coil cleaner that you can come up here, bring a water hose with you, spray these coils down, wash everything out. After it's dried out a little bit, you're going to put the cover back on, plug the coach back in, fire it up, and make sure that everything's still working properly. This is a big part of a motorhome. ACs are a big part of a motorhome. You're going to want to make sure that these are in proper use, proper working order, make the inside of the coach comfortable, and these can last for years. With proper maintenance, I own a motorhome myself. My air conditioner on my motorhome's over 20 years old. So keep up with it. Can be a part of your normal annual maintenance. And we stress that because of motorhomes don't get used on a daily basis like your car does. So once a year, you're going to want to bring it in, have all these things checked, do the maintenance that you need so that you have a good time using your motorhome, your family is happy. So if you have any problems, have any questions, need help, just give us a call at Lazydays RV.